here often, spending my time with the birds and my friends, local bird experts, who dedicate their time to making Amanda Point a welcoming place for birds from all over the world. It's one of the oh, my friend Cleveland. Hello, darling.
Hello, darling.
There we are. It's one of the reasons I love to gather adventurers and wilderness explorers like you here. I'm proud to be a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chiria tribe, Moore Lodge. This is a mudra, a hand gesture, for Chiria, which means bird, and Moore means peacock in the Hindi language. And today we have another senior wilderness explorer visiting our gathering. He asked if we could bring his dog along, and since we are friends to all, I was happy to oblige. Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug!
Great, get our attention.
Phoebe, on stage.
Hello, my name is Russ,
They don't see
and
us?
I am a wilderness explorer in Track 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell! Tell us about your furry friend!
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Sheep boy! Speak boy!
Hi there.
Oh my, you can talk! Tell us your name, boy!
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.